Hello everyone, today we will be demonstrating a dashboard migration using our Qlik to Power BI migration utility. KPI Partners developed this utility to automate the migration of Qlik dashboards and reports to Power BI. By automating the migration of dashboards and reports, we are able to reduce build efforts by up to 70 to 80%, lowering the overall cost and timeline by 70 to 95% for the migration effort. For this demo, we have considered the Sales and Profit Overview dashboard, which includes 2 sheets that provide a comprehensive view of key sales metrics and profitability insights. These sheets were originally created with around 9 to 10 different object types within Qlik View and showcase various chart types and interactive elements for user exploration. To support the migration of metadata from this dashboard, we've developed a set of macros/scripts within the Qlik to Power BI migration utility to capture and collect metadata at multiple levels. First, we extract the Qlik data model and logic, which includes the structure, relationships, and any embedded business logic in Qlik. We also ensure that graphical metadata such as height, width, and coordinates are accurately captured for proper visual representation in Power BI. Next, using our metadata collector, we extract Qlik object metadata, including details on charts, tables, fields, dimensions, and expressions. This metadata is then compiled into interim files, which are processed by our utility to generate equivalent Power BI project files. Let's review the Qlik to Power BI migration utility. First, specify the directory containing the Qlik metadata as the input. Once you enter the paths, click Execute to start the process. A real-time log shows progress, while the utility processes the data. During this time, we can review the interim metadata, which compiles all translated Qlik metadata into a master file. This file includes essential details such as source connections, worksheet names, chart types, and translated expressions, providing everything needed to build Power BI datasets, model.bim, and visualizations, report.json files. Upon successful completion of the process, we can now launch the newly created Power BI project. Here, you can see the 2 sheets, Sales and Profit Overview and Sales and Profit Detail, have been successfully recreated in Power BI. To give you a closer look, I'll expand the view. You'll notice that all charts, such as profit by region, sales and profit by country, and sales by month, are accurately replicated in Power BI. The figures, including total profit and total quantity, match exactly with those in Qlik View. We can also use slicers to filter the data by specific products, customers, or other criteria, offering a seamless, interactive experience in Power BI. To summarize, in just a few minutes, we have accurately migrated 2 dashboards to Power BI. This approach eliminates human error, significantly reducing the testing effort from unit testing through user acceptance testing. Contact us today to schedule your free migration assessment and discover how KPI Partners can help accelerate your journey from Qlik to Power BI.